Welcome to Nifty Notions with Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and the best nifty notion that we can have is a sewing machine needle. We cannot work a sewing machine without it. And as many different fabrics and applications that are available to us, there are also needles that will do the job right. And today, I'd like to talk about the top stitch needle. When we think of top stitch needles, we're thinking of top stitching, just like the name says. That stitching that goes on top of garments, household items, anything that we make. And yes, they do a great job for that. But there are a lot of things that top stitch needle can do more than top stitching. So on a top stitch needle, this little point here is just slightly rounded. It's not a very sharp, it just has a nice little round end to it. The eye inside is elongated, so it's a little bit bigger, and it is more of an oval shape. And that size allows the thread to move inside. On a needle, you will notice a little area that is concaved, and that's called a scarf. And that scarf is also a little bit bigger to help accommodate the thread and the wear and tear. There's also on the other side a little groove, and that groove is where the thread sits and runs back and forth. So if this was the thread would fit inside. So that thread has an area to follow. It's just not going all over as it is stitching. Now those features make this needle, of course, good for that top stitching, but it's also good for other things, such as using thread that is a little bit fussy. So if we have a poor quality thread or a thread that's giving us a hard time, a top stitch needle will help. Schmetz top stitch needles come in various sizes. The regular one comes in a 12, 14, and a 16. The new gold version comes in two sizes, the 12 and the 14. So this gives us lots of options to have the needle match the type of thread that we are using. Now there are a few differences between the gold and the regular needle. They work the same, but we do have a few advantages of having the gold. The gold coating is a titanium coating, which means this needle is now stronger. The titanium also prevents the needle from heating up. I know we don't think of the needle getting hot as we're sewing, but that constant motion going through fabric does heat up the metal. That less heat and friction makes this a great needle for our quilting. It also will be great for applique, and it's going to work great for embroidery. And a fun feature is it's a pretty needle. It has that beautiful, lovely gold look to it. It makes you feel like you're stitching with a little piece of jewelry. So the top stitch needle has always been a great needle to use, but now that they have the gold one with that titanium coating on it, it means we can stitch faster, stitch longer, it's stronger. Great for the fancy stitches on our machine, applique, embroidery, quilting, threads that give us a hard time. Even some of those poor quality threads are going to be a lot easier with this needle. I'll put some links in the description to the new Schmetz Gold Top Stitch needles. And as always, thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a sewtacular day. Bye for now.